This is an Arcoaire heat pump at a commercial property. Don't know what year it is, but I'd say it is fairly new. And then there are three other ones. You may remember the Arcoaire from one of my earlier mashups. And then are these running? There's a York and two newer Amana heat pumps over here. The ground is like totally solid freaking ice. It's like in the high 20s right now, probably. It's pretty much the same one my uncle has at his house. His is a 14 SEER single stage compressor installed in 2009. And this is what the new new Goodman 2-stage air conditioners and heat pumps look like as well. They've adopted this style fan grill. Damn it, I wish I could have gotten a video of these running. I had them before, but that was way back in like the early stages of classified info. Yeah, I'd say these aren't that old. And that damn milk jug is still there. And I'm pretty sure this one's a heat pump. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's a heat pump. Doesn't have any markings on it, but I'm pretty sure it's a heat pump. Probably like a 10 or a 12 SEER. But then again, Yorks have looked the same since the early 90s. And this one is quiet. Arcoaire. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.